guys, welcome to day 9 of our plastic free challenge. So today's topic I'm going to talk about is lipsticks. So I use lipstick on a daily basis, and I used to use it it's in a plastic casing. All very nice, but unfortunately no way of refilling or recycling. So what we have done is we've actually started putting our lipsticks into a cardboard container. It still has a little bit of plastic within the mechanism here, but it is much less plastic. It's mostly cardboard. So that is one solution to make it a little bit less plastic. And the other thing we can do is you can also buy now lipsticks in things like tin pans, which are completely recyclable. So then, of course, in this case, you would have to use a lip brush in order to apply. Of course, as always, don't just look at the plastic-free alternative, look at the ingredients inside your lipstick. Are the colours okay? Are they good for you? Is the ingredients good, or do they have a lot of harmful chemicals in? Be sure to check out your ingredients. So have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.